There is a place in the universe where reality itself comes to an end. A place where time slows down, where light cannot escape, where everything we know about physics simply stops working. And the most terrifying part? These places are not rare. They are everywhere, scattered across the cosmos by the millions. And one of them sits at the very center of our own galaxy. Tonight, we descend into the darkest objects in existence. We're going to cross the point of no return. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why even the greatest minds in history are still afraid of the questions black holes ask. To understand a black hole, forget everything you've seen in movies. A black hole is not a hole. It is not empty. It is the exact opposite. It is the most concentrated form of matter that can possibly exist. Imagine taking a star 10 times heavier than our sun and crushing it down until it's smaller than a city. The gravity becomes so extreme, so violent, that nothing, not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can ever escape it again. That's why it's black. Not because it's empty, but because no light can leave to tell us what's inside. And that single fact is the beginning of every mystery that follows. Every black hole has an invisible boundary, a line drawn in the fabric of space itself. It's called the event horizon. Cross it, and there is no coming back. Not in 1,000 years, not in 1 billion. Once you pass that line, every possible path forward, every direction you could move, leads deeper into the black hole. Think about that. Inside the event horizon, escaping would require traveling not through space, but backwards through time itself. The event horizon doesn't trap you in a place. It traps you in a future you cannot avoid. So what happens if you fall in? The answer is one of the strangest predictions in all of science. As you fall, gravity pulls harder on your feet than on your head. The difference is so extreme that your body stretches, longer and longer and thinner. Scientists have a name for this. They call it spaghettification. You would be drawn out into a single thread of atoms, falling forever toward the center. But here's where it gets stranger. To someone watching you from a safe distance, you would never actually fall in. Time near a black hole slows down so dramatically that they would see you freeze at the edge, glowing red, fading slower and slower, until you simply vanish from existence. Two different realities, one event, both true. And what waits at the center is something physics cannot even describe. If you're still with me, leave a like. The next part is where science admits it doesn't have the answer. At the very heart of a black hole, our equations point to something impossible. A single point, infinitely small, infinitely dense. A place where gravity becomes infinite and the laws of physics completely break down. They call it the singularity. And the honest truth is this: no one knows what it actually is. Our two greatest theories of the universe, Einstein's relativity, which governs the very large, and quantum mechanics, which governs the very small, both collapse at the singularity. They give answers that make no sense, infinities that shouldn't exist. A black hole is the one place in the universe where our entire understanding of reality fails at the same time. It is a question mark written into the fabric of space. But the deepest mystery isn't what's inside. It's what comes out. In 1974, Stephen Hawking discovered something that shook physics to its core. Black holes are not eternal. They slowly leak energy. They evaporate. And given enough time, trillions upon trillions of years, they eventually disappear completely. But this created a terrifying problem. Everything that ever fell into a black hole, every star, every planet, every piece of information about what it once was, where does it go when the black hole dies? If it's truly gone, then the universe is capable of erasing information forever. And that should be impossible. It would break one of the most fundamental rules of reality. Scientists call this the information paradox. And after 50 years, it is still not fully solved. Now let's talk about the giants. At the center of nearly every galaxy, including ours, lurks a monster. A supermassive black hole, millions, sometimes billions of times heavier than our sun. Ours is called Sagittarius A star. It sits 26,000 light-years away, at the very heart of the Milky Way. And every star in our galaxy, including our own sun, carrying you right now, is silently orbiting around it. For decades, these monsters were only theory. Then, in 2019, humanity did something extraordinary. Using a network of telescopes spanning the entire planet, we captured the first real image of a black hole. A ring of fire around a circle of absolute darkness. The first time human eyes had ever seen the edge of the abyss. And here is the question that keeps physicists awake at night. If a black hole crushes matter into infinite density, and our universe began from an infinitely dense point, could the two be connected? Some scientists have proposed an idea so strange it sounds like fiction. That on the other side of a black hole's singularity, a new universe might be born. That every black hole could be the seed of another cosmos. Which leads to the most unsettling thought of all. What if our entire universe, everything you've ever known, exists inside a black hole, within some larger universe we can never see? We have no way to prove it, and no way to rule it out. Black holes are where the universe keeps its secrets. They are the edge of knowledge itself, the place where every question we ask leads to a deeper one. We've photographed them, we've measured them, we've watched them tear stars apart from across the galaxy. And still, we stand at the event horizon of our own understanding, staring into a darkness that refuses to answer. Maybe that's why they fascinate us so deeply. Because a black hole is a mirror. It reflects the limit of everything we know and the vast, silent ocean of everything we don't. If this video made you feel that pull, that strange vertigo at the edge of the unknown, leave your like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, would you cross the event horizon if you could? And if you want to keep falling deeper, the next video is already waiting for you. Until next time.